Oats are one of the healthiest whole grains available. Beyond being nutritious, convenient, gluten-free, and delicious, oats and oatmeal offer many science-backed health benefits. Whenever possible, choose organic oats over conventionally grown varieties. Recent testing has found trace amounts of the herbicide glyphosate in many non-organic oat products. Glyphosate is classified as a probable human carcinogen and has been linked to cancer, liver disease, kidney problems, and reproductive issues in animal studies. Organic oats will be glyphosate-free, providing peace of mind alongside oats' many health perks. Research also shows organic oats containing higher antioxidant activity and typically provide more protein, zinc, and fiber versus conventional oat varieties. So, going organic provides superiority in both nutritional quality and purity when integrating oats into your diet. In this video, I'll cover the top 10 benefits you should consider incorporating more oats into your diet. Do watch till the end, as I am sure there will be a health benefit that interests you. So do watch on. And if you like this video, do give us the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Benefit number 1. Oats are incredibly nutritious. Oats include essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A half-cup serving of dry oats is abundant in manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, B vitamins, and other nutrients. For only 300 calories, you get more than 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. Oatmeal has one of the highest nutrient-to-calorie ratios of any whole grain. With such a dense nutrient profile, have you considered incorporating oats as a staple in your diet? How might the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in oats benefit your overall health and well-being? Benefit number 2, oats can lower cholesterol. The soluble fiber beta-glucan found in oats has been shown to significantly reduce LDL and total blood cholesterol levels, major risk factors for heart disease progression. It's believed beta-glucans increase bile acid excretion, in turn lowering circulating cholesterol. Do you have a history of high cholesterol in your family? How might adding oats to your diet help manage your cholesterol levels and potentially reduce your risk of heart disease? Benefit number 3, oats improve blood sugar control. Studies show oats can reduce blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity, especially helpful for those with obesity or type 2 diabetes. This is likely due to oats' ability to form a gel that delays stomach emptying and absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. For those struggling with blood sugar regulation, could incorporating oats be a simple yet effective dietary change? How might the fiber and gel-forming properties of oats aid in glycemic control? Benefit number 4, oatmeal can aid weight loss. The beta-glucan fiber in oats helps promote feelings of fullness and satiety. By slowing digestion, it may suppress appetite and decrease calorie intake throughout the day. This may support a healthy weight if consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. Have you found that eating oatmeal in the morning helps keep you feeling fuller for longer? How might the satiating effects of oats contribute to portion control and overall calorie balance? Benefit number 5, colloidal oatmeal benefits skin. Finely ground oats are often used in skincare products, as colloidal oatmeal contains compounds that provide protective, anti-inflammatory relief for conditions like eczema, skin irritations, rashes, and itchiness. However, this pertains only to oats applied topically to skin rather than oats eaten. You may also wish to make a natural skin scrub using oatmeal and essential oils. To find out what essential oils are good for skin, do check out my other video here in the link above and in the description down below. Have you ever tried using oatmeal as a natural skincare remedy? What has your experience been like in terms of soothing irritation or inflammation? Benefit number 6, oats can relieve constipation. The fiber-rich oat bran portion of oats has been shown to help relieve constipation in older adults when consumed regularly, allowing many to reduce dependence on laxatives over time. For those who struggle with occasional constipation, could adding more oat bran to your diet be a gentle, natural solution? How might the fiber in oats support overall digestive health? Benefit number 7, oats may reduce hypertension. Several studies found oat beta-glucan may help reduce blood pressure levels, potentially decreasing hypertension risk and improving heart health. In addition, you may also wish to find out what essential oils are good for high blood pressure in my other video here, in the link above and in the description down below. Do you have a family history of hypertension or high blood pressure? How might incorporating oats into your routine help manage this risk factor? Benefit number 8. Oats support healthy bones. The manganese, phosphorus, vitamin K, and more within oats assist bone health by supporting bone metabolism, density, and strength as part of an overall healthy diet. Could adding oats to your diet be a simple way to support bone health over time? What other dietary changes might complement the bone-building nutrients found in oats? Benefit number 9. Oats can boost immunity. The beta-glucans in oats activate immune cells that support healthy immune function and prevention of illness. How might the immune-enhancing properties of oats help keep your body's defense system strong and resilient? Benefit number 10. Oats may reduce cancer risk. Fiber-rich whole grain oats may protect against colorectal, bowel, and other digestive system cancers. Specific nutrients in oats also exhibit anti-cancer effects. In addition, you may also wish to find out more about cancer-causing foods to avoid in my other video here in the link above and in the description down below. Do you have a personal or family history with cancer? How might making oats a dietary staple potentially reduce your risk over time? Incorporating oats and oatmeal into your diet provides a wide range of science-backed health benefits, from weight loss to better heart health, blood sugar control, immunity, and beyond. Oats support well-being in many ways. Just be sure the oat products are certified gluten-free if following a gluten-free diet. Do you enjoy eating oats? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these incredible health benefits of oats and oatmeal. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.